Hello, Namaste. So today we are going to 15 minutes morning yoga practice. So complete warm up your body, complete stretching, little bit twisting. So it's nice to early morning practice. So stand in the both legs with the hip distance. So we start from the chest opening. So the grip your fingers, keep the elbow out. Take a breath in and pull the right hand right side, left hand left side. At the rest the both hands. Keep the wrist, your palms behind of your neck. So few breath, we can stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So fully open the chest, keep the elbow back. And then from here, raise the right elbow up, pulling the left elbow down towards the floor. And if possible, keep the right elbow just the line of the head and the behind. And then lift the chest, open the chest. And few breath. It's good for open your shoulders, good for the neck pain. And then bring your hands in center, same to the opposite side. Pull the left elbow up, right elbow down. Breathing deep and long. Once again, left side. Once again, right side. And then raise the both hands up like the Urdhva Hastasana. Then from you hold the left wrist from the right hand. Keep the both elbows straight. Keep the upper arms close to the ears. Press the feet down. Then breathe in, fully lengthening your whole body up towards the ceiling. Then breathe in. As you breathe out, bend to the right side. And fully stretch the left side of the body. And then breathe in center. As you breathe out, right side. Breathe in center. Breathe out, right side. Breathe in center. Breathe out, left side. Come back. Release your hands. So now shoulder rotation. Keep the elbows together. And then inhalation. Raise the both elbow up. Then exhale, roll the shoulders back and elbow down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 5 rounds. 4, breathe in, breathe out. 5, breathe in and breathe out. Same opposite direction 5 times. Breathe in, raise the elbow up, breathe out, down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And release both hands in the Tadasana. So we are going to Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. So feet together, stand in Tadasana, Pranamasana, Urdhva Hastasana. Bend forward in Uttanasana. Right leg step back, left leg step back, downward facing down. Plank, knee, chest, Ashtanga Namaskar. Then Cobra, then downward facing down. Right leg step forward, left leg step forward. Urdhva Hastasana, Pranamasana, Tadasana. Pranamasana, Urdhva Hastasana, Uttanasana. Left leg step back, right leg step back. Plank, Ashtanga Namaskar, Cobra, downward facing down. Left leg step forward, right leg step forward. Urdhva Hastasana, Pranamasana, Tadasana. Again, Pranamasana, Urdhva Hastasana. Then bend forward, left leg step back. So keep the right knee above the right ankle, fingertips in cup shape. Drop the left knee down, flat the left toes back. So try to feel the stretch on your left thighs. If you didn't feel, lift the thighs up, stretch the left knee a little bit more back. Press the right feet, right knee directly above the right ankle. Press the right thighs, both palms on the right thighs. Keep the both hands on the hip. Drop the hip down and lift the chest up. And lift the chest. And if you can drop your neck back, if you can't, just look forward and stay here. Then from here, raise the both hands up moon pose. Palms together and look up. And come back. Keep your both hands on the floor. Flex the left toes. Left leg straight. Right leg step back. Deep breath. Then again plank. Knees chest in. Cobra. Downward facing dog. And left leg step forward. We go to same to the other side. Fingers cup shape. Drop the right knee down. Flat the right toes. Again, try to lift the thighs, knee up. Shift the right knee a little bit back. And then both palms on your thighs. Lift the chest. Both hands on your hip. Drop the hip down and lift the chest. And you can look forward, even you can look up. Then from here, raise the both hands up, half moon pose. Then palms together, prayer position. Come back, both hands, palms on the floor, flex the right toes. Right leg step forward, Uttanasana, Urdhastasana, Pranamasana, and Tadasana. Then Pranamasana, Urdhastasana. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. This time you can drop, you can go in full pose. Drop the head towards the shin bone. Move the head up. Left leg step back. Turn the left ankle left side. Parsva Konasana. If you have block, you can use the block behind the right ankle. If you have no block, you can use fingertips in cup shape. So I have block, I am using block. So now press the right knee, thighs going to back, and the right arm pressing forward. Left hand on your hip, open the chest. Right thighs parallel to the floor, lift the chest, extend the left hand. And then deep breath. If you can turn the palms, then extend the left hand above your head and look up. Come back, left hand, left palm on the floor, sit the block on the side, right leg step back, downward facing down. Same to the side, left leg step forward. Sit the block, left side of your left feet. Right hand on your waist, open the chest. And then extend the right hand up, turn the right palm facing up. And extend the right hand above the head. And look. Then come back. Right palm on the floor, downward facing down. Deep breath. Then plank, Chaturanga, upper facing, downward facing. Right leg step forward, left leg step forward. Uttanasana, Urdhastasana, Pranamasana, and Tadasana. Again, Pranamasana, Urdhastasana. Bend forward in Uttanasana. Left leg step back. Turn the left ankle left side. Virabhadrasana 2. Right fingers in cup shape. First adjust your leg. Open the chest. Bring your both hands shoulder level. Roll the shoulders back. Open the chest. And turn your neck. Look at your right fingers. Then if you can go from here, Trikonasana. Extend the right hand up. Straighten the right knee. And drop the right palm on your right ankle. Open the chest, raising the left hand up. And then warrior 2, then side angle pose, palms on the floor, right leg step back. And deep breath. Then turn the right angle right, left leg step forward. And first warrior 2, Roll the shoulders back, open the chest. And turn your neck, look at your left finger. Then from here, extend the left hand up, straighten the left knee, Trikonasana. And drop the left hand down, extend the right hand. Roll the left shoulder back. Open the chest, turn your neck, and look up. If you can touch the fingertips on the floor, you can. Otherwise, keep the palms on your shin bone. And then come back, warrior two. And then side angle pose, arms on the floor, downward facing dog. Then plank, then chaturanga, upward facing, downward facing. Right leg step forward, left leg step forward. Drop the head down. And even if you want full Uttanasana, you can hold your ankle. Firstly, lift the head up, concave back, bend the elbow, and drop the head down. And then you look up, raise the both hands up, Pranamasana, Tadasana. So now we are going to some seated pose, Baddha Konasana. So roll the thighs out and calf muscles out and feet together. Interlock fingers, grip your toes. So press the knees, thighs down and lift the chest up. And then few deep breath. Roll the shoulders back, fully lengthening your spine. So if beginners, you can stay here. If anyone have any back issues, lower back pain, they should not bend forward. But if you can go forward, then extend the arms, walk your hands forward and drop your head towards the toes. And stay a few breaths and press your thighs by yourself down. Even you can hold your feet and drop your head down. So this for opening your hip. Then from the here, Upasthana Konasana. So open the right leg right, left leg left. Stay here. So as much you can open your legs, but it's too much for you can little close. If you want a little bit more open, so keep the left hand front, right hand back. Lift the buttocks and brushing your heels away from the buttocks. Remove the flesh of the buttocks back, sitting bone little bit back and up. Press the thighs down, heels, flex the toes. Keep the hands behind of your buttocks. Lift the chest and lengthening your spine. And 3 to 4 breath. 2, 3, and 4. Raise the both hands up. Fully stretch the arms. Then bend forward. First, only touch the fingertips on the floor in cup shape. So adjust your legs, press the thighs down. Walk your hands forward. If you feel overstretch, just you can keep little bit move your hands back. If you can go further, you can walk, extend the arms forward. Then third, you can rest the elbow and forearms and palms on the floor. And then if you can extend the more further, walk your hands and drop the head and even your chin and even your chest. And stay. Few breaths. And then walk your hands back. Raise the both hands up. And then exhaling, release your hands. Then from here you will go to twist. Then bring your both feet together. Bend your knees. Shift the right heel outside of the left buttocks. Left feet outside of your right thighs. Ardha Machindrasana. So now raise the right hand up. First option, you can just hold your left knee and the thighs from the right hand. And the left hand behind of your buttocks. Breathe in, lift the chest. Breathe out and twist. If you can, move the right shoulder, left side, and you can hold the left toes. And then twist. And deep breath. And raise the right hand up. Release your right hand. Open the left leg, right leg. Same to the other side. Shift the left heel outside of the buttocks, left feet outside of the left thighs. Raise the left hand up, cross the left hand right side, and the right hand behind your buttocks and twist. Breathe in, lengthening the spine. Breathe out, twist. And then raise the left hand up, right hand, and release. Open the leg, right leg, left leg. So now we are going to one lie down posture. So first I will demonstrate. So first, as a happy baby pose, hold the big toes from the index finger and middle finger. So grip the toes. So open the knees, press the elbow knees down towards the floor. Without lifting buttocks too much high, just a little bit up. Rest. Now press this down. Lift the chest, press the shoulders down, elbow down. 3 to 4 breaths. And then from here, raise the right leg, drop the right leg down. Press the right thighs by through the right hand. And drop it, pressing, pull the left big toes down by through the left elbow. And try to touch your left knee towards the floor. But without lifting the right thighs pressing down. And hold this. Say 4 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now bend the right knee, both leg in happy baby pose. Same to other side, straighten the left leg. Keep the left palm on your left thighs. Bend the right knee and drop the right knee towards the floor. Press the elbow down. Lift the chest. Shoulder blades resting on the floor. Again 4 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring your feet, again happy baby pose. Now drop your feet down. So now the last one we are going to, for the core muscles, for the abdomen. It's good for your digestive system. So now, first we are going to bend the knee, raise the both hands up, and the both hands towards the head. Interlock fingers, keep the palms under your neck. So now press the feet and the legs with the hip distance. And try to from here, lift the shoulder blade and chest up. So breathing down, as you breathe up, chest and neck. So you are not going to head, just by through the chest and down. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. And then now go to Shavasana. So first let you adjust your hip, your lower back. Slightly open your legs, palm facing up, and close your eyes. And 4 to 5 deep breath, and then normal breath. Then bend the knee, turn to right side and sit up. So, if you like our video, so please like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And then if any suggestion, comments, if you required any specific things, you can comments in our video, and maybe then next video we can solve your problem and we can make the video especially requirement of your suggestion. Thank you. Namaste.